Hey everyone, it's Stuart with Hot Fidelity. What if I told you the secret to calming your anxious mind isn't in a pill bottle, but on your plate? Groundbreaking research has uncovered a powerful connection between your gut bacteria and your brain chemistry. And the Mediterranean diet might be the key that unlocks natural anxiety relief. I'm going to reveal the exact foods that can transform your gut microbiome to reduce anxiety symptoms based on compelling scientific evidence that's changing how we understand mental health. We'll explore how this way of eating can transform your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in your intestines. Stay with me to discover why thousands are finding relief through this approach when traditional methods have failed them. So, what makes the Mediterranean diet so good for your gut? It's all about diversity. The Mediterranean diet is abundant in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, all excellent sources of fiber. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting a diverse range of beneficial bacteria. Studies show that people with a more diverse gut microbiome tend to have lower levels of anxiety and better mental health outcomes. Think of it as a well-balanced ecosystem, more resilient and better equipped to handle stress. And when your gut is happy, your brain tends to be happier too. Another way the Mediterranean diet benefits your mental well-being is by combating inflammation. Olive oil, a staple of this diet, is rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3 fatty acids, powerful inflammation fighters. By reducing inflammation throughout your body, including your gut and brain, the Mediterranean diet creates an environment conducive to mental well-being and anxiety reduction. Fiber feeding the good bacteria in your gut leads to the production of short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs, which benefit both your gut and brain. One important SCFA is butyrate, which strengthens the gut barrier, preventing harmful substances from causing systemic inflammation. Butyrate helps seal up any gaps in your gut lining, keeping things in check. By improving gut-brain communication, the Mediterranean diet promotes a more balanced mood. Let's talk about polyphenols, powerful plant compounds found abundantly in the Mediterranean diet. These compounds act as prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and inhibiting harmful ones. Olive oil is rich in hydroxytyrosol, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. By incorporating polyphenol-rich foods into your diet, you're cultivating a thriving community of beneficial bacteria, contributing to a calmer and more balanced you. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, are essential for brain health and reduce anxiety symptoms. They improve gut barrier function, calm inflammation, and support brain cell growth and communication. By incorporating fatty fish into your diet at least twice a week, you're providing your brain and gut with essential building blocks for optimal mental well-being. Omega-3s directly benefit brain health by regulating neurotransmitters involved in mood regulation. If you've been struggling with anxiety, the Mediterranean diet could be the missing piece you've been searching for. This way of eating goes beyond just food. It's a lifestyle approach that nourishes your body and mind. By embracing omega-3s, polyphenols, and prebiotic fibers, you're creating the optimal gut environment for mental well-being. Recent clinical studies have shown significant anxiety reduction through dietary interventions like the Mediterranean diet. So, if you're ready to take control of your anxiety naturally, give the Mediterranean diet a try. Your mind and body will thank you.